What's up, Biscuit Ice Squad?
What's up, Biscuit Ice Squad?
Today we're going to be trying boba snacks. We have three. We have a boba popcorn, boba biscuits, and this one is like a mochi type thing with the boba inside of it. So yeah. Also, these are all room temperature, by the way, not frozen or cold or hot. So let's try the mochi one first. Oh, they each come individually.
No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Everybody try the mochi first. Valor, not yet. Everybody try the mochi first. That's it. Everybody can try it at the same time.
I have a feeling I won't like this. Because every time I get mochi that's not frozen, it will taste bad.
You know, mochi's not supposed to be frozen.
There's a boba inside, Valora.
But
Want to start it inside? Is there a boba there, or is it just like a jelly?
I don't know.
I like
I
it.
think it's a.
Does it taste like milk tea? Oh, did you still have boba in yours?
yeah.
What do you think?
Terrible.
It's terrible. Vincent?
It's good maybe once a day, but I can't eat one-on-one. It's kind of bad.
Too sweet? Or just
Weird.
it's kind of weird. Laura, do you like it? Do you like it, Helena?
Nah, like rating it 1 through 10, I guess. Like a 3.
Mhm. And then you guys all didn't get a boba in there, huh?
It's like a boba squished down, but it's not like the picture where like it's like a full-size boba.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What's next? Popcorn or the biscuits?
Biscuits.
Okay, biscuit time. Ooh, hopefully those biscuits are delicious. They should have boba in there. That's what it shows on the picture.
Yeah, this one
Ew.
looks good.
Ew, it smells so bad.
Mine are all sticky.
Ew, yeah.
It smells bad.
Ew, look.
I thought it
Look, here,
bad
let's see
stuff.
what you...
I don't think you can open it. It's too sticky. Oh, it does have actual boba there.
That's that green stuff.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it good or bad?
Yeah.
Go on. Put the cookie here if you like it. Did you like it, Soraya? Not the wrapper.
I don't like it.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't like it. You didn't like it, Helena?
Tastes like perfume.
Do you like it, Valora?
No.
No.
No, no.
They smell cheesy.
Okay.
They really smell like cheddar.
I think the crackers are good, but the boba and the brown stuff is bad.
Uh-huh.
Let's open up the popcorn now.
Ooh, I hope the popcorn's good. We also saw another store, boba milk tea almonds.
Have it.
No, because your hands are dirty. My hands are clean.
It just tastes like caramel popcorn.
Yeah.
Is that dirty?
That one tastes good.
It tastes good.
It's just caramel popcorn, though.
Yeah. Let's take a look. Let's see how it looks. And how about the Did you guys all tried the tan one? How about trying the dark one?
Dark one.
There's a dark one in there. I guess it's
Oh,
supposed to look.
tried-
I guess that's supposed to look like the tapioca pearls or like the bobas.
I ate the dark one.
Oh, look, there's a dark one.
I never tried what one.
Does the dark one taste like boba or does it taste like chocolate?
Caramel.
Caramel.
They both taste the same.
Okay, what did you like the best, Elena?
The popcorn.
What
I
do you like
love
the best?
corn.
What do you like the best? The mochi? How about you?
Probably the mochi.
Here's a closer look at the mochi bag. Here's what's in them. And we got all 3 of these snacks, by the way, at the 99 Ranch Market. It's the crackers, or the biscuits, and that is what's inside those ones. I think the reason why the kids like these crackers is that they don't go well together. The crackers are like salty seaweed crackers. You can even see like a little bit of the green seaweed right there. And in the middle is sweet, like a thick caramel. And there's a closer look at the popcorn bag. Here's what's in them.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Please
Bye.
Please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.